Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you recovered well and sorry some days I was busy and then I can't upload any video. So here is 4 bundle in PSD file and total size is here 3.80 GB near the 4 GB data. So here is 811 files and 36 folder. First is social media branding ebook 1.13 GB. So here is bonus promotion, here is PSD file and A4 size and US paper size. Here is 41 files. You see, you can edit it and write your own text here or your own file. For example, I open this file in Photoshop, social media branding, and write your brand name or your detail here. Simply we need the image, open, and our brand is this. For example, drag there. Oh, this file is in low resolution, sorry. Open again and we pick high definition file like this. Okay, right click, create clipping mask, and we adjust it. Okay, simply you can edit it or you can write your own text. Here is font, you can download on web. I will provide a download font link. Here is A4 size. So I close this file. I know you can edit easily. Here is 3 cover, 1 2 3 preventing. Sorry for background voice. 1 edition, edition 2, edition 3. Yeah, write your website name. Here is edition 1. We need portrait image like this. These files are high definition, but don't. Right click, create clipping mask. So depend your own choice, you can edit it. Here is social media branding ebook total. Okay, all purpose. Promotion, bonus promotion. Here is post and story like this. You can edit it, and here is story. Okay, and next is Sulil lead managed marketing social media pack. Here is 4 different templates. Here is Facebook, Instagram story, Instagram post, and here is Pinterest, and last is font link. Here is marketing pack. Okay, here is sample. Amazing. And here is PSD file, 24 PSD file. You can edit it in Photoshop. Here you can adjust more 3 different photo like this. Paper 1, import this, and resolution is 2000. Okay, drag there, Control S. I tell you just for example, I know you can do better. Oh, here is portrait, and next is this. Drag simply, you see, and you adjust third images here. Save 20%, write your anywhere, any title or details. Okay, and here is 24 templates. Here is sample, you see. Wow. Same here in Pinterest. Here is 24 templates. Webner. Here is 107 templates. Wow. Your workspace here. Sorry, workshop. Import your image here. We need high definition photo like this. Our design is ready, so you see, and you can edit this font. Close this file, and here is 107 items. You can adjust anywhere. Here is 4 different photo, 1, 2, finally, thank you. Okay, and here is workbook social media. Here is 105 pages, 3-page cover, content, intro, chapter, tips, and here short, long, etc. Here is total 105 pages. Font link is here. Workbook social media branding. Size is 1.27 GB. Preview is here. You see, and PSD A4 size and US paper size. A4 size is here. Amazing. So you can adjust your own choice. You can edit it. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.